Alrighty, Ryan, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give a description of this combination. Got a set of our seed heads on it. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got your front sump oil pan. Obviously, just a long block combination. We put our Dyno manifold, carburetor, distributor on there for you. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 519 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 553, good and flat, horsepower 538, rate of 520, so everything's good. Pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card USB card full of technical information. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. It's got dyno video, engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have some specifications on it. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So have a great day.